Reva Joe's first attempting
Are you ready?
to eat. What the hell was that?
Might have to change your clothes. What do you think? Oh yeah, did you like it?
That looks really good.
You like it? Is it good stuff?
Mmm. Mmm. Good girl. Yeah. Has she even swallowed any yet?
I don't think so.
Kind of looks like you on your first birthday already, honey.
Is that good stuff?
Mmm. It looks really good.
I think it might be a little too watery. Well, I don't know, maybe it's not.
Yeah. I missed the nibble. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Was that good?
Oh, God. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, Daddy loves you. Oh, yeah. Spit it out, honey.
Not quite ready?
No.
You want some more?
Let's get the countdown.